Good afternoon, everyone. Let's begin by taking a look at Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, the current signal is L, and following the signal, the price briefly touched the keyboard line and before rebounding. When examining the key support levels, we see several clustered around the lower $81,000 range. The next notable support is at $79,026. Now let's move on to XRP. There is currently an S signal, and the price remains just below the keyboard line. All 5 buy lines are positioned at $2.02, which makes that a very important support line. If this fails to hold, the downside risk could be considerable. Now, let's turn to NEO, which has held the longest running signal. An S signal was triggered, and since then, the price has been declining for more than 170 hours. It's been moving almost perfectly downward, using the keyboard line as a ceiling. And for today, as Bitcoin's volatility increases sharply, we're also seeing a continued rise in dominance. This is creating a sustained period of difficulty for altcoins, making it a tough market to trade them. Still, one thing remains clear: buying Bitcoin during dips is the right strategy. Entering gradually and in portions is generally advisable. However, if you're a beginner, it is far better to stick to short-term trades only. Even in such conditions, there are occasional pumps in smaller altcoins, and there may be opportunities to briefly participate in those, but caution is essential. Altcoins that spike quickly and form long upper wicks, in particular in times of high volatility, especially after announcements, many traders end up getting caught in these altcoins after brief upward moves. On the topic of tariffs, Trump is expected to announce detailed changes related to trade clauses. This is expected to cause significant volatility in the market. There is a possibility that this will help resolve some uncertainty. However, if the announcement turns out to be strongly negative, we could see an extended downtrend in the near term. During times like this, avoid going all in or trading impulsively. Instead, build the habit of trading in line with the signals.